All right, our mega storm that's taking shape here will cause problems in the Northeast, and hopefully not like this, but it's very possible. This is western Tennessee, where some areas like in Jackson picked up a foot of snowfall. And thank goodness they had some plows out there trying to get the roads clear, but unfortunately there were a lot of accidents in this area. Right now, skies have cleared, temperatures dropped, and still could be slippery out there in western Tennessee. All right, as I mentioned, the mega storm heading for the Northeast. Looks like we're seeing that snow getting very close to Washington, D.C. Here's Carl.
Yeah, it's now beginning to creep up into the D.C. area. We've got cloudy skies reported in D.C. right now, but snow just off to the south and west and up and down that 81 corridor. So Charlottesville and Lynchburg and Roanoke all reporting light snow right now. It is heavy rain in parts of southeastern Virginia, and all these areas are going to change over to snow. We'll probably see about 6 to 10 inches of snow in Richmond. Same story into Baltimore and the D.C. area as well. And then it's going to be a lot more than that as you get even farther northward. There is our area of heaviest snow right along the 95 corridor. So the part of the Northeast where most people live, 40 million people living here, and you've got 6 inches or better across this region, as much as a foot possibly in New York City, getting up into Poughkeepsie, moving towards Worcester, Providence, and also in Hartford. It is going to be quite a mess tomorrow morning and continue into the afternoon in a lot of southern New England. Kim?
All right, here in the west, we're dealing with a storm as well, but we're not too unhappy about this. I know it ruined some of your plans, but this area of California where we have the hose turned on, right here, all that moisture coming up from the tropics, this is where we need it. This is where we're in a drought in California. So we're getting some beneficial rain from this. Some areas, especially near some of the higher elevations, you get that orographic lift, especially when you have the winds coming in from the west to the east. You get the air to rise, it cools, condenses, you get more rain, you can wring it out more, and some of you will pick up 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. Now in San Francisco, we've got airport delays too, so check ahead with the low ceilings and with that rain coming in. But it's not going away anytime soon. Now the forecast here for the west will be calling for more rain off and on through the whole week for this area, especially here into San Francisco. And here in Los Angeles, we may see a little bit of rain tomorrow. By Tuesday, it tapers off. A few showers possible Wednesday, Thursday into the 60s, and so off and on for you as well. So the rain overall for Southern California, not there yet, but it will get there tomorrow. Let's go back over to Titan if we could. I want to show you something here real quick as this storm system moves. Portland real quick, by the way, a little bit of light rain for you. But here comes this storm system moving in, and we'll see rain. And we'll see it probably pass level for a little while. So you're traveling up 80. It is going to be rain, but the next couple of days, it's going to come down to the pass level, so be careful. Carl?
Well, coming up, we have much more on our big Northeast storm. It's going to be a real whopper for a lot of folks in the Northeast. We'll track that winter weather into the megalopolis along the East Coast. And here's a look at the Philly area. We are calling for anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of snow in greater Philly. That'll continue up into central Jersey and right into the tri-state area as well. And then things clear out across a lot of the region as we go into the middle of the week. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the middle 40s by the end of the week. We've got a lot more coming up on this system. Stay tuned for that.